Some realtors fight for their clients. I literally fight for my clients. I have a black eye to prove it. The home opens to this interior courtyard. An excellent location, an amazing backyard patio and deck, a comfortable, appealing layout. This is the home worth fighting for. It's the home you've earned.
Everything. A band is blowing Dixie.
This house has trail access from University Terrace Park.
You feel alright when you hear the music ring.
$250 Segway Place. This is a home worth fighting for.